Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're here with me, Sarit and Stevie K. Okay, today guys, we're watching the full movie reaction to Oh My God 2.
Yeah guys, Oh My God 2, hopefully you've been watching the other parts already, starring Akshay Kumar and Pankaj Tripathi. Guys, obviously if you want to watch the full movie, watch along, come onto our Patreon or become a YouTube member and you can watch the full uncut, unedited version of it from start to finish with the songs. But obviously here we can only put the cut version, edited version. Sorry about that. But like I said, if you haven't done so already, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do let us know what other movies to react to next. And let's now just get on with the movie. Here we go.
तुमने सबका नुकसान किया है जो तुम्हारे लिए आवाज उठाने के लिए अपने घर से बाहर निकल के आए थे।
तब कहीं होगा महाराज, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
विश्वास रख, विश्वास।
मैं हूँ शेरों का दलाल।
पापा चल भैया, देर हो रही है, मैं गाड़ी निकाल रहा हूँ, मुझे और भी बहुत काम है। तेरे बीवी बच्चे अलग वहां धरने पर बैठे हैं मंदिर में।
क्या मैं एक बार उनके अंतिम दर्शन कर सकता हूँ? प्लीज डॉक्टर।
क्यों नहीं?
पांडे जी कहाँ जा रही हैं?
आखिरी दर्शन करना चाह रही।
किसका?
भैया ये बोला आप निपट लिए?
ये छोटे डॉक्टर हैं, बड़े डॉक्टर आए हैं। उनने कहा कि मारे को कुछ नहीं हुआ, तू जा सके कांति।
छोटे, लेकिन उससे बड़ा डॉक्टर कौन है यहाँ?
डॉक्टर महाराज, आपकी रक्षा के लिए जो चाल बदल दे काल का, कोई उसका क्या बिगाड़े जो भक्त हो महाकाल का।
जय श्री महाकाल।
Oh, I did.
मुझे जानो है।
मंजे होती सही है ना आपकी, लेकिन बिल
वो हम देंगे।
Keep getting there.
शॉर्टकट है, देख। What? जल्दी आओ, काफी देर हो गई।
आप नहीं आओगे?
मुझे वैसे भी किसी और को लेने जाना है।
He has to do it outside. There's too many people.
मैदान में कोर्ट लगा दो, लोग सुनना चाहते हैं, सुन रहा मेरी बात, चुप करो वाली। चुप नहीं हो भाई, अरे यार कल हुआ तो महाराज, कल हुआ तो आज ठीक हो गया। हमारे फैमिली का
नहीं बहुत ठीक है, पर आपने तो केस वापस ले लिया ना।
नहीं
और मुझे फंसा दिया आपने पब्लिक में।
एक मिनट सर, इन्होंने 1 करोड़ रुपए लेकर केस विड्रॉ किया है।
नहीं महाराज, क्षमा महाराज, इन सब ने एक मजबूर और लाचार बाप को पैसे का लालच दिखाकर साइन करवाए हो महाराज। और महाराज, इनका चेक मैंने रखा है, मैंने बैंक में डाला नहीं अभी तक। इनको सादर लौटा दीजिए महाराज आप।
He is refusing, he is denying it.
सर, इन्होंने डे 1 से कोर्ट का मजाक बना के रखा हुआ है। प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू डिसमिस द केस, दिस इज नॉट राइट सर। ये फिर शुरू हो
Let me
गया।
decide that,
Yes.
please.
He's the judge.
सॉरी सर।
Your closing statement, please.
I close my argument by stating कि अपने पर्सनल, अनैतिक और अश्लील कंडक्ट के लिए स्कूल ना जवाबदार है और ना कभी होगा। अगर किताबें दिखाकर ये साबित करना चाहते हैं कि मैस्टरबेशन इज करेक्ट, तो मेरे पास में ऐसे बहुत सारी किताबें हैं जो कहती हैं मैस्टरबेशन इज रॉन्ग। इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे मजहबों के लिए ये नाजायज है, पाप है। इट इज ब्लास्फेमी सर।
कांति जी,
Why does he give money for then?
महाराज, अगर ये सही बोल रही है महाराज, फिर ये सब लोग कौन लोग हैं महाराज? और यहाँ कहीं कर लिया है लोग, कहीं न कहीं उनके भीतर ये अनुभूति है कि इस समय सेक्स एजुकेशन आवश्यक है उनके लिए, तभी तो खड़े हैं।
इनसे पूछिए कि इस सारी भीड़ में विवेक कहाँ है? Where is he?
He's going to
क्या
get
वो
money.
तैयार है सर उठाकर बैग लेकर स्कूल आने के लिए? नो, क्योंकि उसे पता है उसने गलती की है। सो व्हाई
महाराज हमारे छोरा ने कुछ रिसर्च किया है। महाराज यह कहानी शुरू हो गई 1835 में, जब एक अंग्रेज लॉर्ड मेकाले नामक अफसर पूरे भारत में घूमी घूमी के भ्रमण करी के अंग्रेजी सरकार को यह रिपोर्ट दियो कि अगर हिंदुस्तान को, भारत को गुलाम बनाना है तो सबसे पहले इनकी सांस्कृतिक धरोहर, शिक्षा पद्धति व गुरुकुल को नष्ट करो। वह गुरुकुल
Teachings.
जहाँ काम शास्त्र भी पढ़ाया जाता तो महाराज, और ब्रिटिश एजुकेशन एक्ट 1835 लागू कियो महाराज। और दुख की बात यह है कि आज 75 साल हो गए महाराज, स्वतंत्र हुए, स्वाधीन हुए महाराज, लेकिन आज तक हम अपने बच्चों को वही शिक्षा पद्धति पढ़ाते आ रही है महाराज। और कहा ये अंग्रेज हमसे लूट के ले गए और पूरे यूरोप में सेक्स एजुकेशन पढ़ा के स्वयं को मॉडर्न, आधुनिक और हमें सांप सपेरो बिच्छू का देश कहने लगे महाराज। कहीं है ये बेस्ट सेलर, पूरी दुनिया का बेस्ट सेलर, और यहाँ हम लोग आपस में लड़ दिया है।
मेरे पापा ही है ना? हाँ पापा ही। विवेक, डिड यू डू द राइट थिंग? क्या वो सही था? आंसर ऑनेस्टली विवेक।
नो मैम।
दैट्स इट सर।
मैम, जो भी मैंने किया वो गलत नहीं था। जिस जगह किया, यस दैट वाज माय मिस्टेक। आई एम सॉरी सर। प्लीज प्लीज मुझे स्कूल में वापस ले लो।
सर, आप देख रहे हैं कितनी बेशर्मी से ही इज एक्सेप्टिंग कि इसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया।
You नहीं बोला
यहाँ
सीधा।
इतनी भीड़ में इतने बच्चे हैं, बट आई एम श्योर किसी में इतनी ऑडेसिटी नहीं होगी
Oh, yeah,
जो
okay.
बोले कि masturbation is
Just
correct.
because it's not being freaking.
Masturbation is a sin,
No.
Vivek.
Oh my god. This
Objection, my lord.
Is that I do every day?
No, it's not a sin. I do masturbate.
There you go.
Oh, all the kids are gonna come up.
And then going
तुम
around
अकेले आए
raping
हो या
women.
अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ?
मेरे पापा के साथ।
Where is your father? I want to see your बेशरम पापा।
What?
What the hell?
The
This is
judge?
bad.
The judge's son, your Bayesian father.
We need sex education. Yes, we do.
Talk to us about periods.
We need sex education.
Yes, we do.
Yes, I agree with
Exactly,
that.
ask the youngster.
Your generation probably didn't give a crap. Cat embarrassed.
Dad did all that for him.
Hide the face.
I'm not shameless. I'm not. I'm lucky. लकी कि मेरे पापा को अपनी गलती महसूस हुई और वो मेरे सबसे लड़े। लेकिन मैम, मुझे आप ही बता दो, मुझे ये सब कौन समझाने के लिए है जो गूगल पे सेक्स लिखने से आता है। There are terms like abuse, violence. ये सब कौन डिफाइन करेगा मेरे लिए? Sexually transmitted disease, inappropriate sexual behavior, unwanted pregnancies, misogynistic attitude, good touch, bad touch, consent, किसी का वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर देना, जो मेरे साथ हुआ, what I had to go through, what my family had to go through. मैं नहीं चाहता कि ये किसी और को भी सहना पड़े।
They didn't point that out. That was wrong for them to film anything like that
That's what I
for a
think.
youngster.
That's why didn't that boy get done for whatever he did?
And distributing it.
कामिनी जी,
Or to jail, huh?
कामिनी जी,
She got schooled.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Savodaya International School, Dr. Shah, Inder Medical,
and Pranlal Mathur. The fact that इन सभी ने कांति शरण मुद्गल को एक चेक दिया, that proves कि ये लोग अपने आप को दोषी मानते हैं.
And it's very ironical that Savodaya International School, which is affiliated to British curriculum,
पर ब्रिटिश सेक्स एजुकेशन सिलेबस पढ़ाना नहीं चाहता, और ये कोर्ट मानता है कि विवेक की इस हालत के लिए
Savodaya International School,
एन एजुकेशन बोर्ड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, और ये कोर्ट एजुकेशन बोर्ड को आदेश देता है कि जल्दी से जल्दी सिलेबस में रिफॉर्म्स किए जाए. और आप सब लोग 11 रुपए, 21 रुपए, 51 रुपए, 101 रुपए जल्दी से जल्दी अभी कांति शरण मुद्गल को कॉम्पनसेशन के नाम पर अभी दीजिए ताकि वो महाकाल पर चढ़ा सके. And I order the school to take strict action against those who made Vivek's video.
Exactly.
And court orders विवेक को स्कूल में वापस लिया जाए, सेम क्लास, Same bench.
Congratulations and so on. आप जानते हैं आप क्यों जीते? क्योंकि आप परिवार के लिए लड़ रहे थे और मैं व्यापार. ये केस याद रहेगा कांति भाई. थैंक यू.
आपने तो हमारी सोच की दिशा ही बदल दी है. शाबाश मेरी.
तुम इतनी जल्दी ठीक कैसे हो गए?
एक डॉक्टर मिले हैं. उधर चलो मिलवाते हैं. भाई जो ठीक है आप आओ.
He's done his job. Time for him to go. Oh, he is there.
हिंदू यही है वो डॉक्टर.
डॉक्टर नहीं, भगवान हो.
हाँ सच में.
काय करे रे हो? क्या तो महाकाल को चढ़ाने वाले?
अरे तुम चुप करो, ये इनकी फी है.
250 रुपए.
चलाते.
कांति भाई हिसाब बताओ. सब अपना सामान ले जाए.
कौन सामान?
वही जो आपके बेटे के कंधे पर.
Oh, then Pillai, he was there before you all even started.
तो बेटा ले लीजिए.
बेटा एक काम करो, इसे अपने पास रखो. आज से इसकी जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारी. ठीक है?
जी.
अच्छा भाई, आगे लीजिए.
अरे डॉक्टर साहब ऐसे कैसे जा रही है आप? महाकाल बाबा के दर्शन कर लेते. भस्मारती वगैरह देख लेते हैं कि सेवा तो
अरे नहीं, मुझे जाना होगा. एक और मरीज हमारी राह देख रहा है.
जय श्री महादेव.
कौन सा डॉक्टर है ये? क्या नाम है?
डॉक्टर महादेव.
सरनेम क्या है?
हर हर. डॉक्टर महादेव हर हर सबकी पीड़ा हरते हैं. हट जा तेज गाड़ी चलाते हैं. हट जा. नंदी बाबा.
ऊंची ऊंची वादी में बसते हैं भोले शंकर.
And guys, that was the end of the watch along movie reaction to Oh My God 2. Now we're just going to do a quick review of what we thought and what we felt. Honestly, I will go first because normally I ask Sri and then she'll just say, "Oh my God, what do you put it on me for?" And
No, no, you say everything anyway. You say
okay,
exactly
so
what I want to
do
say.
you want to say a little bit?
I enjoyed it, I really did, but when we did the reaction to it, when we watched
trailer.
the trailer, yeah, the trailer reaction, it's completely different to what we thought it would have been. Remember what we thought? The boy, we thought he was going to be like gay or something. Remember?
I think everyone
what
thought
we
there
thought,
might be something to do that it might be to do with his sexuality or something like that. But I didn't know it was going to be sex education.
No.
So that was a bit, well, which still again, I think
it's really good because it's needed, isn't it, so much?
Very much so, and I love the way that not only how it was made and how it was acted and performed by every single person. Pankaj Tripathi especially.
Amazing.
He done wonders. That boy himself, I know his role was what it was. He didn't have to do much talk, but the way he captured that, you felt sorry for him.
Yeah.
So and you didn't like the bullies and stuff. Same with Yami Gautam, done well as the other, lawyer who was a bit feisty and bit, you did going like it's alright for her to say whatever, but. And then Akshay Kumar done wonders. He didn't have to be all the way through it, but every time he came, he just brought this essence to him. He gave that feel.
Yeah.
And it was like, in Oh My God 2, sorry, Oh My God 1 with Paresh Rawal, he was in there a bit more and it was like different as well. So it wasn't the same in that sense.
Yeah.
It had the whole court case, but it was in a total different take. Yeah. And I really liked it because it was more or less, this was society keeps on doing that, and it's like you're saying, there was an education, or there's books and everything what people once probably would have known and done or whatever it might be. Like with this one, it's like the British game, everything gets taken away, but yet it's okay for them to share it everywhere else, but then not in the places where they say that it wasn't, and people ain't adjusting, people ain't changing, but yet porn's available everywhere. If you looked at books, everyone's like masturbating, whatever it might be. People don't even want to talk about sex.
Yeah.
you know, they frown upon it and, you know, everything, unless it's in a different context, then it's okay. It's, you know, like even that thing with that Lartarini was like saying, it's the words. Just a word can make something totally different. How you say something. It's okay here, not okay there. And why wouldn't they, if you can, you know, give education on things like, you know, biology about animals and stuff. And it's not like everyone's going to be like, you know, working in zoos or jungles or something like that. But you can't give it on humans. Why are they ashamed? But yet, you know, everyone is born in the same way. It was just good. It was, and you know, I love the music all the way through. It just gave you that feel. Or anything. And again, it was different to anything else that anyone else had made. It was surprising though. I think it came out at the same time as Gadar 2, and we watched Gadar 2, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
And I think so anyway, because he was just like singing that, you know, the song from Gadar 2 in there. But even that, I think they made those little adjustments they had to make, because I think he was going to be Shivji.
Okay.
And then I think the censor board, correct me if I'm wrong, turned around and said, you got to make these adjustments, you can't, because I think in the other one he wasn't he? Like, you know, he wasn't Shivji, but I think it was Lord Ram. But here it was like that, and they said you got to make the adjustments. So those were little things that they changed. That you know, he was a devout, like sent in the same roop of Shivji, like, and that's how it.
How do you know anything about how well this did in India? Like, what were people's thoughts on it?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, the rating on IMDb is quite high, so I'm guessing. See, it's that thing. You are always going to get this two factors of some people, like you said, going to go, why are people talking about this? It's disgusting. It should be in house. But the problem isn't, fine, you don't want to talk about it, but if people want to learn or not learn, or they don't know, they're going to find out the answers or the things from the wrong people.
Yeah.
Wrong sites, wrong people, because they're unaware. So why not teach? Or if you don't have the ability in you to be able to talk to your child or be a teacher who can teach, then you at least direct them to the right sites or the right place and saying, look, I can't talk about it, or I'm uncomfortable, son, daughter, whatever it might be, but this is a site that is actually right for a child to understand and read. I can't do it, but here. So they don't go onto the wrong sites and get the wrong education. It's that, because not everyone's a teacher, or not everyone feels comfortable, and it's understandable, but it's just, then give them the right information. Like, you know, if you was gonna go, like if now you was unwell, or our child was unwell, you're not gonna take him to the vets and saying, he's a doctor too, can you, like, you know, cure my child? You're gonna take him to a doctor. You need to know what a doctor is and what the difference between a vet and a doctor is, or who knows their stuff, that kind of thing. But anyway, yeah, honestly enjoyed it, and you know, I think there should be more movies like this. I know sometimes you get movies with sexual remarks, like, you know, in action movies, or sex stuff in comedies, where it's all fun and laughter and guys being, you know, whatever, but you don't always get this. And I think, I don't know if anyone else, is there been anything that I can recall to do with sex education before? I don't, and it's not only that it was about sex education, it was the way that they made the film to educate and understand.
And hopefully people are taking it on board.
Which was really good, even when he got the, you know, like the sex worker kind of thing in, and she said, oh guys, well performed, well made, well acted, really enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. Let us know what else you guys want to react to, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully.
See you on the next one. Bye.